Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Meenakshi, biology student, BSc Honors Geology from the DUC from Delhi University. I am pursuing BA from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. I am very passionate for teaching and have experience more than 3 years in teaching line as a home tutor or a science teacher in institute. Now let's begin our today's session on the topic force. Before beginning of our topic, I must tell what we are going to discuss today. That is introduction, effect of force, friction, and relation between force and friction. Now, what is force? A force, in general, a force is a pull or a push or both. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe the effect of force. We all know that force is not visible, but we can sense it by two ways, pulling or pushing. Now, question arises, what is pull? A pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards our body, and a push, a force to move an object away to our bodies. Like an example, here a boy is pulling a box. Here, like a pushing a box. Here some examples are pushing down a jeep, and pulling a trolley. There are many examples. Now, what are the effects of force? Force can change the shape of an object temporarily and change the shape permanently. For example, a car have a damage because of force, and a box is damaged because of force when we drop it from a height, like that. And a force can change the direction of moving object also, change the speed of moving object, stop a moving object, or make a stationary object moves. Like like previous example, that that here we see that here we see a trolley is pulled by someone. Here a mom is pushing a boy. There are some examples more that change the object's position, or in move, or in motion. Now, what are the misconceptions of children? Children are thinking that they believe that a solid cannot change shape or cannot be compressed or stressed, but it is explained by the force that the shape of solid object changed when we applied force on it, whether it's temporarily or permanently. For for example, crushing a car changed the shape permanently. We all see that in general way in a real life lifestyle. It is very common example. Now, what is friction? Friction occurs when two surfaces are moving in contact with each other. And it is very common that people thinks that object is moving on another surface, that friction is occurring. For like that, here a box is moving in that direction, in this direction, and the friction is occurring in this direction. So it is in sense that friction is occurring in opposite direction of motion, or in opposite direction of pushing force, like that. There are factors that affects friction, like physical state of an object, weight of an object. Physical state like solid, liquid, gas, these states of object, and weight of an object. Now, there are another misconceptions of friction also, like children think that friction is only present when something is rubbing against a moving object. No, it is not like that. Ki, or friction is only occur when object is rubbing against. No, friction is occur when the surfaces are moving in contact with each other. As a teacher, it's our job to clear these misconceptions of children. There are some examples of frictions, like rubbing a glass with a cloth, and rubbing a matchstick. Okay, now here we end our today's session. Thank you.